If you're planning to buy a new tablet in 2026, you need to hit the pause button immediately. The landscape of mobile computing is about to shift in a way we have not seen in over a decade, and this time the change is not incremental. It is foundational. While most consumers have been comparing the latest ultrabooks and hybrid laptops, Samsung has been quietly engineering a device that does more than compete. It redefines what a tablet is supposed to be. Instead of chasing the familiar formula established by the iPad Pro, Samsung appears ready to challenge the very idea that a tablet must live in a laptop's shadow. This is the Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra, and the leaked specifications paint a picture of a device that feels less like an upgrade and more like a reset button for the entire category. For years, Samsung's Ultra tablets have delivered huge screens and immense power, yet one visual compromise held them back from true design purity: the notch. That small cutout housing dual front cameras disrupted what could have been a perfectly uninterrupted display. It worked, but it never looked fully intentional. In 2026, that compromise disappears completely. The Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra marks the official end of the notch in Samsung's flagship tablet line. In its place is the company's most advanced under-display camera system yet. Through a redesigned subpixel matrix and improved light transmission layers, the cameras are effectively invisible when the display is active. There is no punch hole, no cutout, no visual interruption whatsoever. What you get instead is a seamless 14.6-inch canvas that stretches edge to edge. Whether you are color-grading high-resolution footage, sketching complex illustrations, or simply watching a cinematic film, the experience feels immersive in a way previous models could only hint at. It is not just a cleaner look. It signals that Samsung is willing to push display integration further than most competitors are comfortable attempting. Under that flawless surface lies equally ambitious display technology. The S12 Ultra transitions to a tandem OLED architecture, meaning two stacked layers of organic light-emitting diodes working in harmony. This approach dramatically boosts brightness while improving efficiency and longevity. Peak brightness is rumored to hit an astonishing 3,000 nits, a level typically associated with professional HDR mastering monitors rather than portable devices. Outdoor visibility becomes effortless, and HDR content gains a level of realism that feels closer to reference-grade equipment than consumer electronics. But Tandem OLED is not just about brightness. By distributing workload across two emissive layers, panel degradation slows significantly, effectively doubling the display's usable lifespan. Burn-in risks are reduced, color stability improves over time, and power consumption becomes more efficient at comparable brightness levels. This efficiency unlocks sustained high refresh rates without punishing battery life. The result is a display that is not only brighter, but more durable, more color accurate, and more future-proof than anything Samsung has previously shipped in a tablet. A great screen demands an equally premium chassis, and this year Samsung is pivoting to Grade 5 titanium. Previous aluminum Ultra models occasionally exhibited slight flex due to their expansive footprint. Titanium changes that dynamic entirely. The material offers exceptional rigidity while remaining surprisingly lightweight. In hand, the device feels denser and more substantial, almost like a single slab of engineered metal rather than a hollow shell. Despite the improved strength, the S12 Ultra is expected to weigh slightly less than its predecessor, creating a paradoxical sensation of increased durability paired with improved comfort. Thinness remains impressive, reinforcing the idea that portability and toughness no longer need to be opposing forces. At the core of this powerhouse sits the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2, deployed globally rather than split between regional chip variants. Early benchmark leaks suggest nearly a 40% improvement in multi-core performance compared to last year's silicon. However, raw CPU numbers only tell part of the story. The integrated neural processing unit has seen significant gains, allowing advanced AI tasks to run locally with minimal latency. Combined with improved GPU architecture, the S12 Ultra is positioned not merely as a content consumption tool, but as a full-scale production machine. Samsung is also redefining baseline memory expectations. The entry configuration now starts at 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM, while the highest tier pushes an extraordinary 24 GB. For a tablet, that figure borders on workstation territory. This capacity enables true multitasking without compromise. Heavy creative applications, complex 3D modeling software, large Photoshop files, and dozens of browser tabs can coexist without forced refreshes or background app closures. It is the kind of overhead that professionals quietly crave but rarely receive in mobile form factors. The evolution of Samsung to X plays a crucial role in making that RAM meaningful. Rather than simply mirroring a desktop aesthetic, the updated to X environment leverages the enhanced NPU to intelligently allocate resources based on user behavior. In practical terms, that means you can run a full Linux environment in a window, render 8K video footage in the background, stream high-resolution media, and manage cloud storage simultaneously without noticeable slowdown. The tablet stops pretending to be a laptop and instead starts outperforming many of them. Thermal management has been re-engineered to sustain this level of output. A massive vapor chamber now covers roughly 70% of the internal component surface area. By spreading heat more efficiently, the system maintains peak clock speeds during extended gaming sessions or prolonged rendering tasks. Throttling, a common bottleneck in slim devices, is dramatically reduced. The cooling solution ensures that performance remains consistent rather than spiking briefly before collapsing under thermal stress. Creative professionals will find particular excitement in the upgraded S Pen Pro 3. Latency drops to an impressive 1.8 milliseconds, approaching the immediacy of pen on paper. However, the true innovation lies in the new haptic texture engine embedded within the stylus. Using ultra-high-frequency micro-vibrations, the pen can simulate the sensation of different artistic tools. Selecting a charcoal brush produces a subtle gritty resistance. Switching to a fountain pen yields a smoother, gliding feedback. This sensory layer bridges the psychological gap between physical and digital art, making extended drawing sessions feel more intuitive and emotionally engaging. Battery life, longest strength of Samsung's Ultra line, sees further refinement with a 12,200 mAh cell. Combined with Tandem OLED efficiency and improved chipset power management, endurance should comfortably exceed a full day of demanding work. More importantly, charging speeds finally match the scale of the battery. With 65-watt fast charging, the S12 Ultra can reportedly reach 50% capacity in under 30 minutes. For professionals juggling deadlines, that means a brief lunch break can restore enough power to finish an entire project cycle. Connectivity becomes another defining advantage. The inclusion of Wi-Fi 7 ensures faster wireless throughput and lower latency in supported environments. Even more transformative is the addition of a second USB-C 4 port. Dual ports on a tablet unlock new workflows. You can charge the device while simultaneously outputting 4K 120Hz video to an external monitor. You can connect high-speed external SSD arrays for direct video editing without sacrificing power input. The need for cumbersome dongles diminishes, and mobile workstations become cleaner and more efficient. Samsung is also pushing forward with Galaxy AI 3 integration. Features extend beyond superficial smart suggestions. The device can record meetings through its advanced microphone array, transcribe speech in real time, generate concise summaries, and automatically populate calendar action items. For professionals managing multiple projects, this automation reduces administrative overhead and preserves focus for creative work. The dual 12-megapixel front-facing cameras incorporate AI-driven eye tracking and intelligent framing, ensuring that video calls remain centered and professional even if you move around the room. On the rear, a 200-megapixel sensor may seem excessive for a tablet, but it serves practical purposes in high-resolution document scanning and augmented reality precision mapping. The Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra is expected to debut in August 2026 with a starting price around $1,299. While that figure places it firmly in premium territory, The device is clearly positioned as more than a casual entertainment slate. It targets architects, filmmakers, designers, engineers, and digital nomads who require uncompromising performance in a portable format. Samsung has systematically addressed nearly every long-standing criticism. The notch is gone. Structural rigidity is improved through titanium. Display technology leaps forward with Tandem OLED. Performance scales dramatically with next-generation silicon and unprecedented RAM capacity. Charging speeds align with battery size. Connectivity embraces professional demands. For the first time, the gap between tablet and laptop functionality appears genuinely narrow. The S12 Ultra does not merely suggest that a tablet can replace your primary computer. It presents a compelling case that it already has. The question is no longer whether tablets are powerful enough, but whether traditional laptops can remain relevant in a world where mobility and workstation-grade capability converge so completely.